right, so for lesson 8.2 today, we're going to be looking at additive angles, adding up two angles to equal another angle. And we're going to be talking about two types of angles specifically. So let's look at this right now. We know that if I see a straight line right here, that is called a straight angle. I know, because we've talked about it before, that a straight angle is half of a circle, and I know that that equals 180 degrees. Okay? So to solve this problem, I know that I would be adding A plus B to get my 180 degree line. So in this case, I have to take the amount that I know is the total, which is 180, and I'm going to take away the part that I don't know, or I'm going to take away the part that I do know, which is that B is 135. That's going to give me my missing angle. Okay, so A in this case equals 45. And if I add 45 plus 135, I do get my straight angle of 180. Now, let's come and do another example. The other type of angle we need to think about is a circle. I know that in a circle, there are 360 degrees. Okay, there's 360 degrees in a full circle. So again, if this part right here is 135, I have to take it away from the big part that I know. So I would be doing 360 minus 135. And when I do that subtraction, I am left with 225 degrees, which makes sense because it is bigger than this, right? So I know that this part is 225 degrees. Now, as I'm coming over here, I'm going to show you some missing angle measures for real life problems. We are going to be writing an equation with an unknown, so pay attention to that. So on this one right here, I have to pay attention to, am I looking for a straight angle or a circle? So I see that straight angle right here, so I know that I'm looking at 180 degrees. I have to take away the part that I know to solve for my missing letter. So I'm going to take away 65 degrees. And I'm going to tell you that that's going to equal my missing letter. That's my unknown. So then to solve it, I come up here and I line up 180 minus 65. And I get 115, which is what I would write in for here because C equals 115. 180 minus 65 is 115. When I do this one, I don't see a straight line. I see a circle. So I know that I'm looking at 360 degrees. I'm going to take away the part that I know, which is this part right here, which is the 270. And it is going to equal my missing letter, which is my missing S. When I do this, I will rewrite my problem again, lining up place values, borrowing when needed, and I get 90 degrees. Because my missing degree for S right here is 90. And look at that, that does make a right angle, so that makes sense. So over here on these pages, you are going to have a couple of problems to do as well. You're going to be looking at a straight angle here and a circle for 360 degrees here. So keep that in mind as you try some of these problems today, okay?